Yep. Hello, everybody. So I'm Valentin Schmidt. I'm a system administrator. I'm working at the Berste company, and today, excuse me, yeah, today I'd like to thanks all the person involved in free software and especially the volunteers here at FOSDEM to make this event, well, possible and awesome. And I've been granted 15 minutes to talk to you about mail2trac. Okay. I just start with a quick presentation of Track, which is a project management tool, and then I'll talk to you about the plugin. Yep. So as I just said, Track is a comprehensive project management tools, which as a ticket management system, which is quite convenient. It also has a web interface for VCS like Git, Mercurial, SVN, for example, and among others. Okay, it also provides a wiki and much more stuff, like a timeline and anyway. It's written in Python, which is nice, and it's easily extendable by plugins. And of course, it's a free software that's released under the tree-close BSD. So, yeah, about that, you can get emails notification when you're using Track. That's quite convenient. And if you want to reply to one of these notifications, which is quite intuitive, this is basically what you get. Nothing. So we are using a lot of tracks at my company. We're about 170 tracks running. So we needed to create, to comment, and to modify tickets using emails. And we wanted it to be easily configurable for multiple tracks. So there were two plugins already existing at this time. One, which name is mail2trac, is written in C, but it was difficult to use with multiple tracks, so it didn't fit our needs. There were also mail2trac, which was just a draft. I don't mean a beer, just a draft, and it was written in Python. So it's nice because the whole track community is really about Python. So yeah, we basically carry on the development that this developer named Kos has just begun. So mail2trac has a few features I'm gonna explain you quickly. You can create tickets just by sending an email to your track with the subject containing create column. You can comment tickets. The mail2trac plugin is parsing the subject, looking for hash ticket ID. Okay, you can change the priority or any fields of a ticket like components and stuff by using tags in the mail. You can add an attachment by attaching it to your mail. It's compatible with Track's workflow, so if you have defined a special workflow for your track, it won't mess with it. It will respect the whole stuff and won't break anything. And it handles Track's permissions. The permission to command, create a ticket, it's all based on Track's workflow. Okay, so the workflow of mail2trac, when you send it a mail, it's redirected to a small bash script which name is mail2trac admin. It provides a track admin command who then calls the mail2trac script. So, a bit quick here. Yeah. Then the user who sent the email is checked against known users by track. So it gives you the authorization, the authentication to do stuff or not. The whole mail is parsed by mail2trac to check fields and to get the action to actually to do. And then it uses the tracks for flow to perform this action. Okay, here is a quick example. So Gabel is sending to the track, Marvin. He wants to create tickets because he needs a root access. And he sets the component sysadmin. He sets the priority critical, and he sets the owner, BB, which is me. And he can use the this tag for saying it's the end of his request. That's not mandatory, but that's convenient. That's just the email he sent. So, what do we get? That are the keywords that are parsed by the mail2trac plugin. So we get create. Oh, I'm sorry. The whole tags that I just explained you, and the end. Okay, and that's the answers you get from the track, the notification. And we can see the right fields have been set here. Okay, so I will reply to these tickets, obviously. What happens when I reply that? The mail2trac plugin parse the subject, and he see the hash 42, which he can identify as an existing ticket. And he also gets hash 1 fix, which is the status of the ticket. And he set it, and he can send, he can send us the notification with the number of the tickets, the status, which has been modified, and it adds the comments. Okay, let's talk about future. I don't know if you've noticed, but the authentication of the users are made using the email address, which is pretty unsecured because you can just change it like this. So the next key feature we will add is the GPG authentication. That seems important. And we've been thinking about, we use a lot of tracks. We've been thinking about doing something with wiki pages, like for requesting it by email and modificate it. But that's tricky. So if you have any good idea to do that, you're very welcome. You can check the website on TrackX. There is a page about the mail2trac plugin. And yeah, in case you want more information, there is still the track website, the IRC channel, and the Bergstock website. Yep. So thanks and happy hacking. What do we do there?
Any questions?
Yeah. That looks like it just applies to one track. You said you've got lots of tracks, so how does it know which track?
Oh, yeah.
If you can talk into the microphone.
Yeah, of course. I repeat the question. Yeah, how does it work with several tracks? You configure your mail transfer agent, like postfix, for example, to forward the mail to the script. So you can get.
So each track has a separate email address?
Yep. I'd like to thank Ztune, which is the developer who works on this plugin actually. He spent quite a lot of time, and yeah, that's nice. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much.